Hi besties, how you all doing? Hope you guys are doing great. What's popping? What's good? So today I've been home honestly for days, and I just said why not I take some time to like do my makeup and just create content. So this is actually 31st of January. God, my face, I don't know what's going on with my face. This face is not wanting to, I don't know, but I feel like my face is actually brightening up, but it's still having patches. I don't know what I'm reacting to. I really don't know what I'm reacting to. But anyways, I'm trying to create content today and just do my makeup, create content, and yeah, post probably tomorrow on Instagram. I have no space, so I have no space on my phone. I have videos I've not edited, and hopefully I'm able to do that today. Bendy, because I am amazing. See your face.
Me that slippers filled my eyes. Was it with you? I think with you.
Yes, no. Are you serious? You guys, this is past 8 p.m. and I don't know why this rider is coming. Like I ordered something since for my business and like since January and it's just coming in. And the rider just called me to tell me that he's on his way. I think right now he's on the estate or something. So I'm going to go pick it up. Hello guys. Good morning. What's good? What's popping? Don't mind I'm looking this way, but my camera is this way, but I'm looking at myself. How you all doing? I don't know if I've done an intro. I've not been doing intros, like making videos without doing intros, but what's popping? What's going on? Yesterday night I made a video on me like talking about going to pick up a package from a rider because I ordered stuff like phone cases. I needed to test it. I needed you to know how it looks or feels. Yeah. So it was late last night. I didn't want to like do the unboxing. I want to get an address and all of that. So this is it. Oh Lord. This is it. These are the cases and I'm going to be unboxing them now to see. I am so excited. It has been on my mind. It has been on my mind since yesterday to open this, but I'm doing it right now for you guys to see and to experience it alongside me. So let's do this. Really people. I hope it is what I ordered. Hey boy, this is so cute. This should be 7, yeah, 7. I'm so excited. Guys, no. This is so pretty. Look at this stuff. This is so pretty. Shit. These are so fucking pretty. This one didn't come with any form. I don't know. These are so pretty. How many blocks did I get? Why does it look like I got the same? These are so pretty, guys. No, check this out. See these. See these cases. This is so thick. Wow. These are so cute. These are so cute and very strong, guys. Very strong. I mean very strong. It is very strong. Yo guys, you guys should go shop them from the Luxury Cartel. I'll put the link in my description box. I'll put the link there and I'll put it up on the screen for you guys to go on Instagram to shop this.
Can I help you with your bag, sir? Oh no. That's what they get you. I'll find my own, thank you. No problem, sir.
So I got back from house hunting, not radical, but I've been this is me just trying to tell myself that I've been sad or what not, and actually just made an order on Mega Chicken from Medical Chicken. And where's my camera? And I'm actually going to go and Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Well done. Fine, long time.
You don't call us now.
I don't call you now.
Cook by yourself.
Ah, yes, sir.
That's what we are going.
As in
The economic now.
the economy now, yeah.
Apply economic everything.
Yes, sir.
You have paid that me.
Yes, I pay. Did I say una no get customer? This one way you no waste time today. Ah, you no waste time.
When they waste time, now don't
Yes.
people now. Yeah, it's free. It's free.
Reason you right. Should anyone get a anyam chicken or in how much? Tight me in the rain. I told you. Do you know I just found out that there's even camera in this people's compound? There's a CCTV. I didn't know till today. I just saw it staring at me. So 1, 2, 3. Well, it's not butter. You want to help me. Lord Jesus, help your child. I need a miracle. I need a miracle right now. Like me in the rain. My God is awesome. Awesome. Like me in the rain. Oh yeah. We're going to chew this bread like there's no tomorrow. I'm going to chew this bread like there's no tomorrow. Stage. I'm not eating bread well. I don't know why. This year has changed. I don't know. It's good to have so much calories. And this is why I hate regular bread. Always tasting salt. It does not take time. It does not take time to just start smelling salt. Bread is always too soft.
Can you feel it, baby? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna change. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel it, baby? Feel it, baby. Can you feel it, baby? Feel it, baby.
You see what I think about it?
Broadway, thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time, you know party alone. Just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. Cause I need someone new. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna you.
And I trust
I'm kissing you, I want you to feel.
Hey, okay, so now, walking, leave that. So I don't understand that this kind of the kids don't they go like this. You need to buy the dollar for give to the business. I already tell them I will send them money, make it help me buy parts. Understand for my car because you know. Yeah. Oh.